Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello and welcome back to our Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彤。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。那听说呢，现在呢，在这个南部呢，有这好像去年我们也提过了，就有这个所谓的六堆嘉年华。
六堆嘉年华飞。
六堆嘉年华飞。This is a carnival that is happening in southern Taiwan around this time of the year, and it's called the 六堆 Carnival. 其实六堆哦，就是六个乡镇，对不对？合起来的一个嘉年华会嘛。跟运动会 It's actually based on 6 different townships across the island, and together they want to hold a carnival and also a sporting event together. Again, it's the 六堆嘉年华。
六堆嘉年华。
六堆嘉年华。这个六堆运动会又怎么说呢？
六堆运动会。
六堆运动会。All right, and let's go ahead and teach people more practical sentences. 其实很多听众呢也反映说，能不能弄一些句子啊，就是问答的句子出来教我们？因为有的时候不是只是想要讲生字嘛，要有问有答的感觉。所以呢，其实常常看到朋友呢，或者是看到同事呢，都会问说，这个周末呢，你计划要做什么 ？What are you planning to do this weekend? How do you say that?
2礼拜6日，你计划要做乜嘅？
太长了，慢慢来。来
2礼拜。
2礼拜 that means this week, right? 这个礼拜。
6日。
撩你是什么？周末吗？
周末啊，放假日咯。
张来撩的撩 that means play, so it's play days, which is the weekend in Hakka. Okay, so this weekend.
你计划？
计划？
买计划？
你计划？我没计划。
你计划？你计划？
我还以为你要我卖鸡肉还是怎么样？好，你计划 It sounds like chicken, but it's not. It means what do you plan?
我做乜嘅？
我做乜嘅 to do. So what do you plan to do? 你计划我做乜嘅 And maybe you're gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna go see a movie. 要去看电影啊，
看天样啊，
还是要去就是嘉年华啦，
嘉年华会啊，
嘉年华会啊 ，going to the carnival, or maybe going to a dance party. 去一个舞会。
跳舞啊
都可以啦。So that's how you say that sentence. One more time, the entire sentence. What are you planning to do this weekend?
2礼拜6日，你计划要做乜嘅
？2禮拜6日，你計劃做乜嘅？
跳舞啊！
跳舞啊！一起去跳舞吧！
看天样啊
Okay, that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.